question.
Yes.
Because today the main focus, I think, is going to be working on reverse percentages, which is exactly what we'll be doing, just the other way around. So we'll have a go at this, and then we'll have a go doing it the other way, the other way around, which I'll explain more later.
Okay. When bottom and taking ring replacement, the total cost of the ring was £420 and plus three.
Yeah, so this one says 17.5. It's really formatted strange, but it should be like this.
Okay. Work out the cost of the ring. £4.20.
So this one is going to be an increase,
Yes.
because it says plus, yeah?
Yes.
So how might we do this one?
So we do it the other way around. Divide 420 by 17.5.
Not quite.
Oh,
This
we find
one,
17% of 420.
yeah, we need to find 17% and then add it on. Or we could do this the multiplier way, which we've been doing the last couple of weeks.
Yes.
I'll do it both ways though, so you can see. And you have a go at work now as well.
Is it 7? Wait. I got it.
Yeah, what have you got?
Is it 714 or 7.14? It's 7.14, yeah.
For the cost of the ring, it
The percentage.
needs to be the percentage 17.5.
No,
The percent.
7.14.
The percentage, if you're timesing it like this, it would be 1.175.
Is it 7.14?
Are you doing it the way that I'm doing it in green, or are you doing it the way that I'm going to do it in purple soon?
I think the purple one.
Okay, I'll quickly do that one then. Hang on, 320. Okay. So the other way you could do this is do it the way with like ratios and things. You could do it. So you could say 10% is equal to £42. 1% is equal to £4.20. 0.5% will be equal to half of that, so £2.40. I'll do it up here because I need more space. And then if we want the increase by 17.5%, we would do 420 add 10%, which is 42, add 7 times 1% to get off 7%, and we know that 1% is £4.20, plus 0.5%, which is £2.40.
I thought we were doing find the percent of it.
That is the next question, asks you to find the percent of it. Did you do 17 divided by 420?
No. I just found
No.
the normal way of finding the percent. And then, yeah. So, yeah.
Which way did you find it?
The one where we do the find the different, and then that one.
The percentage change one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is percentage increase. So where it would be, if there wasn't so many words, it might say something like, what is £420 increased by 17.5%? That's what this one's asking. There isn't a percentage change question here.
Oh.
But I know that you're really good at percentage change, which is why I'm trying to not give you as many questions, because I know that you're really good at it.
Oh, okay.
I can find a question for you, and you can do one percentage change question if you want to start with.
After this thing.
After this recap, okay. Are you happy with the method that I've done here? Does it make, or are you totally lost?
Oh yes. I get it, because the green one makes more sense.
Than the purple one. Okay, good. So the purple one, what?
Because there you just have to multiply them, add them together to 10%. But for this, you
The green one's much simpler, isn't it? It's really simple.
Yes.
Good. I was just showing you the purple way, just in case you thought the purple way was easy.
Oh yes.
It's good to know that you see that the green one's simpler as well. Okay.
Now the next question.
Yeah, the next question.
Is it gonna be?
So it's the,
Is it 57.6?
I've not done it yet. Hang on. Not quite.
Wait,
How did you get to
what was
7.6?
Oh, I think it's the other way around.
It might. So this time we know that there's 60 people out of 96, and we want to turn that into a percentage.
Yes.
Yeah.
So 96. So we know it's going to be more than half. Is it going to be? It's more than half.
It's definitely more than half.
Because half of 96 is 42. No, 40. Yeah, 40.
46, 48.
40. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. And then.
Something like that. So it's more than half.
Yeah.
So the way that we.
Wait. 96.
Actually, I've got an idea. I'll give you one with simpler numbers, because I feel like you'll be able to figure it out. But if I wanted a percentage and the party was 50 people invited, 50 people came to a party.
Is it going to be 72%?
Very close. I don't think it was 72, but I think that you were very close.
Check. Let's see. How?
If the numbers were 50 and 100, what would the percentage be then?
50%?
50%, yeah, because how did you work that out?
Because half of 100 is 50, and we know as a fraction that 1/2 is 50%.
Yeah, because this is like saying 50 out of 100 people came.
Yeah, and then it's
So
actually.
when we times that by 100,
If you
we
see-
get 50%.
And if you simplify it, it's 1/2.
Yeah, if you simplify it all the way down, it goes to 1/2. So use this one that I've just done in green to see if you can figure out this one that I've scribbled on in purple.
75.
So see if you can write it as a fraction first. I think that might be easier. (60/96), brilliant.
I know what to do.
You know what to do? Okay, go on then. That's what I like to hear.
What divided by 100 makes 96? That's the method I know.
Okay. So we can't turn this bottom into over 100, can we? Well, we could, but we'd have to do it in 2 steps.
Yes.
So I think what might be easier is see if we can simplify this fraction down. Like you said, this one, if you simplify it all the way down, you will get a half.
If we divide it by divide 96, 100 together, it becomes 100 divided by 96 equals 1.0. So 1.04 divided by 60. 1.04 divided by 60 is how is this? It's more than half.
I think you're overcomplicating it. Let's just try simplifying the fraction down. What number could we divide both the top and bottom down that would divide by 60 and 96? Can you think of one?
30.
30 would go into 60, but 30 wouldn't go
20.
into 96.
20.
20 would go into 60, but
Two,
20
two,
doesn't go
two.
into 9.
2.
2, yeah, let's try 2. So divide the top and the bottom by 2. What do we get?
48.
Divide the top by 2, we get 30/48, yeah. Okay, is there a number we could divide them both by again? If not, if that's okay, we can just divide them by each other.
Divide by 2.
2, yeah, we can go divide by 2 again. We get 15/24.
Yeah. And then, yeah. That's all that happens. So it's going to be.
So there's 2 steps that we could go from here, 2 different ways. We could either divide them by each other. 15 divided by 24. Remember, the denominator goes on the outside. The numerator, the number on the top, goes on the inside.
0.625. And then how will that go into? How will 0.625? Wait. Go in.
Yeah, you've done it. 0.625. And then that's the decimal. So to get a percentage, we times it by 100.
Yeah. 0.625 divided by.
Times by 100.
$62.5.
Yeah, brilliant.
I was 10% off.
You were only 10% off. See, I knew that, and I was like, you're really close.
Yeah.
I knew you were really close.
Yeah.
Do you want to try another one like that before? And then we'll do a percentage change question, and then we'll talk about
Yes.
reverse percentages.
Yes.
Okay, let me just find a question.